Good afternoon everyone, this is Tom, it's just gone 4 and welcome to our Bonfire Night Special. And to start off our proceedings for our Bonfire Night Special, it's the old campfire.
Memories and melodies of songs I used to know, friends of mine that harmonized together. Scallywags and sleeping bags and tent flaps all askew, breathing in the open air together. Together, around the old campfire, where the mushrooms used to grow, me muzzles used to show. Around the old campfire, oh, those happy every summer days. Buttercups and daisies and little pansies in the grass, oh, those happy times we had to treasure. Little creepy crawly things that got into the tarts, and fairy cakes we had party together. Together, around the old campfire, where the mushrooms used to grow, and me muscles used to show. Around the old campfire, oh, those happy every summer days. Nelly Dean and other songs we never could get right, singing till the fire turned into ashes. 20 people in a tent, we had such happy nights. Cocoa running down our poly acids. Acids around the old campfire, where the mushrooms used to grow and me muscles used to show. Around the old campfire, those happy every summer days. Rising in the morning to the cry of tally-ho, horses, hooves and fox hounds keep together. Gentlefolk make music, with a hunting we will go, as Fufu lies a panting in the heather. Heather.